Misty here, design team member for Stamp Anything. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to day one of our November release previews. Once a month, Stamp Anything releases a cute little release themed around a specific theme, and this month it's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So, did I say drawers or dwarfs? I don't know. Anyway, each month there are 3 chibi characters with their outline dies. We get a word die, a builder die, and a stencil. There is Stamp Club if you're interested in getting all, some, or parts of this release. All the information you need is listed down below. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to our first chibi character, Just to Be Fair. I'm going to share with you the builder die, the word die, and the stencil, along with the first set of design team samples. If you want to see more or you want more inspiration, be sure to follow all of our social medias and join our Facebook group. That is the place to be if you want first-hand knowledge of sales that are happening. We're getting close to Black Friday, even though this is the first week in November. The first week in November. I'm already getting emails about Black Friday sales. Anne is currently going through inventory and putting things that are kind of one-off up for sale, so be sure to check that out. But yeah, that's enough. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. We're almost at 700. We may have already hit it by now. I'm not quite sure. I'm ready to do this giveaway that I've been talking about for the last little bit. So yeah. So anyway, let's head over to my craft table and I'll show you day one previews. All right, friends, are you ready? I forgot to mention in the intro that we have a couple of guest designers for this month's release, so be sure to check them out. You will see their picture and it will say guest designer. I believe it's Lauren and B. Listen, I taught phonics in like first grade and I still can't read. Okay, let's start with this month's stencil, and we have the forest stencil. So you have, you can make a forest and then you have a couple of individual trees. This would be a really pretty kind of winter going into holiday card because that's the season that we're heading into. Who has their Christmas tree up? Mine's going up this weekend. It's been a rough few months. So yeah, so there's our forest die. Our word builder die is Little Princess. So you get the font, which I absolutely love, and then you get the outline. So you can do this one. I think it's Betty that has this done in like a pattern paper and then has a dark background. It looks really, really cute. Absolutely love it. Our builder die this month is the cottage builder die. Now mine's been in, I put it in an envelope and clearly I bent it, but yours is not gonna come like this. So you get the main cottage, you get kind of like this trellis system, you get like flowers and a door, and I think these are flowers. Let me look real quick. Because now I'm just like, are those flowers? Oh no, they're clouds. Well, I guess they could be clouds, or they could be like flowers, or they could be like bushes. So whatever your creativity decides they are, then that's what they are, right? Right. So really fun. I love, love, love this. And then of course we have the princess herself, Snow White, Snow, Just to Be Fair. Isn't she cute? I believe Kevin is the one, it's either Kevin or Steven, or maybe both, that do the digital coloring, and they kill it. I love it so, so, so much. So this is day one. So yeah, this is a really fun release. Like I said, I hope we get Cinderella, hint, hint, with Gus, Gus, hint, hint. And the carriage builder die, hint, hint. Actually, we may already have that, but yeah. So anyway, day one, we have the forest stencil, we have the little princess word die, we have the cottage builder die, and we have Snow, Just to Be Fair. So as I mentioned in the intro, don't forget that you can sign up for Stamp Club and get any or all or part of this month's release. All of the information is linked down below. You can do it even if you're international. Don't forget to find the Facebook group and our Instagram, which are also both linked down below. There's also a Facebook page, so we have all of the social media, but the Facebook group is really where you want to be for all of the inspiration. We have some really talented Fannies, so be sure to check that out. But that's it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment letting me know what you think of this month's release, and let me know if you want Cinderella and Gus Gus too. Anyway, friends, I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.